Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you basically the news of BITGET and their new mandatory KYC requirements, and I will also share with you the exchange I have been shifting all of my day trading over to. And I've been actually using this exchange pretty much ever since BITGET and KuCoin implemented mandatory KYC. And so with that being said, let's get into the weeds of BITGET's mandatory KYC. And so we start over here on BITGET's announcement center part of their web page. And the announcement we are actually interested in is BITGET updating their KYC verification requirements. And if we scroll down, for starters, BITGET does give you a bit of a BS reason why they are implementing KYC. Basically to better protect users' rights and interests, create a secure crypto trading environment. But really, at the end of the day, it's to comply with regulatory requirements, basically bending a knee to the government. And so, at the end of the day, BITGET is adjusting its KYC verification requirements, which will take effect September 1st, 2023. And so, starting on September 1st, 2023, all new signed up users must complete Level 1 KYC verification to access services on BITGET, which includes, but is not limited to, deposit and trading of digital assets. Now, for those users like myself who were signed up before September 1st, 2023, those users will still be able to deposit, withdraw, and trade as usual. So we get about an extra month of access to the site up until October 1st. However, starting October 1st, users who have not completed Level 1 KYC verification will only be able to withdraw, cancel orders, redeem subscriptions, and close positions. And obviously will be restricted from creating new orders. Now, for those of you interested in going through the KYC process over on BITGET, which I will not be participating in, but if you decide you want to do that, you will be required to provide all your personal information, including your mother's maiden name, your date of birth, your address, your identification numbers. In addition to, you will then need to drop in some ID verification, so you're going to have to upload images of like your driver's license, and a current image of you that matches your driver's license. And then you will just need to kindly wait for approval after you've uploaded your documents. Now, for folks like me who are not interested in going through KYC, and that has nothing to do with me trying to avoid laws or break any laws, I just don't think KYC is in the spirit of cryptocurrencies, and thus I have no desire to participate in that system. So I prefer to trade on an exchange that does not require KYC, and nowadays most of your centralized exchanges require KYC, and thus I've been trading over on a decentralized exchange for the past couple months actually. And if we jump over here to CoinGecko and under their decentralized exchange tab and scroll down, you can see number one obviously is going to be Uniswap when it comes to decentralized exchanges, but the exchange I use is Apex Pro because that actually allows me to do futures or perpetual contract trading using a little bit of leverage if I so choose. Now, let me be crystal clear. This is not financial advice. I do not recommend anyone trade on Apex Pro without first doing your recon. But I will say, rather than sending money off to an exchange like BITGET, KuCoin, BITGET, and trusting them to return those funds to you, Apex Pro, being a decentralized exchange, you actually interact with the exchange without sending the funds to the exchange. The funds are actually held in a smart contract over here in your MetaMask wallet, and thus at any time you can withdraw without permission. Now if we jump over here to the Apex Pro page over here on CoinGecko, the volume is the main thing you need to be concerned with, and I only really trade Bitcoin and Ethereum currently on this exchange. As you can see, Bitcoin does have $56 million worth of volume in a 24-hour period, and Ethereum has $27 million worth of volume in a 24-hour period. The rest of your coins are going to be pretty light on volume, and for day trading purposes, that really isn't going to work, at least with the way I day trade. But again, at the end of the day, you need to do your own recon. So, I think that's enough jaw-jacking for this video. BitGet is now requiring mandatory KYC, so that's another centralized exchange that is dead to me, and I am moving more and more of my business over here to these decentralized exchanges like Apex Pro. And so if you're interested in videos about these decentralized exchanges, you might want to shoot that subscribe button. There will be a lot more of those type of videos coming in the future. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.